Hi guys, Mike here, review on Expert Trades this Knipex Plier wrench. Excuse the finger, I decided to crush it this week in the machine, but oh well. Yeah, this is a really handy tool. Yeah, first time I seen it I thought it's a pair of water pump pliers, but it's not. It's actually got a parallel jaw. And Knipex claim whatever pressure you put on these handles puts 50% more up here, which having used it, I'd actually have to agree with. And you got this little button adjuster, just lets those jaws slide up and down. Then once they're in place, and you move this arm, you'll see the jaw moves up and down, which gives it similar to a ratcheting mechanism when you're using it on nuts and bolts as a fast or any fasteners to adjust. Also, because it hasn't got any teeth, it doesn't mark up your workpiece and leave scratches as a water pump plier would with its teeth. It's a very handy little tool and great for if you bend any metal or anything. You can because of the straight jaws, just bend it back in place. Nice and simple little tool. Comes in use for a couple of different things, and I always actually carry this one in my pocket. I find it replaces pliers and an adjustable spanner on it, and unlike the traditional adjustable spanner where you get the bit of wobble in the jaws there, and occasionally I find anyway I get these stuck on bolts and they drive me insane. This doesn't. I have a 10mm bolt into a nylock locking nut, nice and tight, ain't going nowhere, and a PZ2 bolt into a nylock locking nut as well. I'm just using this as an example of a rounded bolt. So you'll see your standard adjustable fits onto it, grips it, no problem. Now if you try and use it on a rounded nut, nothing, just slips away, no problem. If you go for your plier wrench, just set it with this little adjuster, grip your bolt. But then as well as that, it acts as a ratchet because you can just move that jaw off and just carry on working. And then when you come to your rounded fastener, grip it and you can twist it, no problem, as much as you want. And then as well as that, you'll even grip the thread if you wanted to. And just see it just working away on the thread there. Like I say, these do come in handy with me doing the engineering, especially if you just come across a stubborn fastener or something awkward to grip as well, because the gripping pair in these is good. You can even twist that in the vise, no problem with the gripping pair on this. They are a brilliant little tool and so handy. That's the Knipex Plier wrench. Really handy, like I say, and would definitely recommend it to anybody if you've never used a Knipex tool before. Definitely try this. I think I paid £50 for this, but I think it's worth every penny, to be honest, especially for all the different features it has. Thanks guys.